Hello everyone, my name is Clarin. You're watching Clarin. That's all you need to know about me. Today we are doing the 30-minute fishing challenge. Put 30 minutes on the clock and fish. See how many fish we can get. Stay tuned. So we're here again at Charter Oak North Lake, and this is a pretty well-known spot to some of you viewers here. And today we're just coming here. We went here before. We caught a ton of fish. See what we can do here. Let's get a move on. This is where we're fishing. This is the dock of awesomeness. Just have to walk slowly here because we don't want to spook the fish. Really excited. I'm using the Gulp Alive pinched crawler. We cut some in half, so there'll be more, but that should be enough. Half is pretty good. I'm gonna try rigging it like this. That will catch lay fish. Okay. So I'm just gonna drop it down here. Hopefully we can catch a nice one. Just gonna see what we can get here. So we went here before. Last time we caught something. It was great. Really. It was really windy last time. There's a Walmart bag. Hopefully no fish died in that. Definitely sunny the last time we came here. So just fish it near this dock here. Get it right there. Oh, I didn't set the timer. Hold on. I'll leave it here. Do 30 minutes timer. We'll do 30 minutes. 3, 4, 1, go. So far nothing. Already casted it. We got a little excited there. A lot of fish last time. Don't know why they're not biting. 30 minutes. This is gonna be a little intense. No fish here. Apparently. We're gonna move to that dock. Right there. Let's go. Thirty minutes on the clock. We got this. Got the next spot. There's a good spot right here. Gotta not spook the fish here. Just gonna leave our stuff here. Just trying not to spook the fish. And just hope for the best. So this is a spot normally that we catch most of the fish. Just gonna go. Whoop. Hopefully we catch something. Oh, got him. Nice one. Yes. Caught our first little dink right here. Look at this tiny fish. Look at that. First fish of the 30 finish challenge. Probably should get it out quick. Cause oh no. We really swallowed this. The pliers? Yeah, I think we need them. Wow, we're gonna have to do surgery on this little bloogie. Professional fish surgeon. So hopefully you don't die here, buddy. Oh, there you go. There you go. Got the whole bait out. Let's go release this fish. Just get a chance to rehabilitate. There you go. See you later, old pal. Let's keep fishing. Yep. Yep, got him. Well, that's a nice one. That's a nice fish. Oh, man. Okay, come out. Come out. Come out of there. Come out of there. There you go. Come out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I was not expecting that. Oh, calm down, buddy. Hold on. Oh, that is big. Look at the size. I think this is my PB bluegill. Look at the size of this thing. All right, time to let this guy go. Oh, yeah. Yes. That is a big one. I just lost my worm. There's 2 more minutes left on the clock, but we'll just say that was about 30. Pretty good day. It's not, well, it's getting really dark. The fish are not biting anymore, so I guess we'll just call that a day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new here, please subscribe and like and comment. See you on the next adventure.